Look what I brought home.
What a surprise, Max. Oh, hello, love.
Yeah, well, you know, I had some mates to see up here, but couldn't pass up the chance to see my favourite nan now, could I?
You're a real charmer, you are. Look after her in Swansea, did you?
I tried, but, you know. Anyway, what is on the menu today, then?
Well,
asymmetric fringe, or we're going for gold?
No. What I thought was just sort of tricks against time. Not that you'd know any of that, mind. Don't know how lucky they are, do they? All the bloody years ahead of them.
Wasted on the youth. Hey, speak for yourself. I didn't waste a minute of mine.
Oh, I bet you didn't.
Oh, get on with you.
Yeah, I will actually. Know how it is. Things to do, deals to seal. Oh, maybe see you later, is it? When you're a blonde bombshell again?
Oh, when you piss off.
See you, Ev.
Yes, see you, Max.
You're not going too, Mark?
No, I thought I'd stay. That's okay.
Yeah, of course. Bye, Max.
Bye, lady.
Bye.
Bye.
Everything all right, love?
Yeah, fine.
We'll take a seat. I won't be long. I'll be finished soon, okay? We'll have a coffee and have a chat. Okay.
Thanks, Nan.
Finally, there have been a number of reports across Wales today that social media accounts and
Hey,
broadcasts
Trace.
have been
Turn it
interrupted
up.
by
Will you? Have you heard about this?
I have. They've all been going on about it.
While most are declaring this a hoax, others are convinced they've been contacted by people in the future. The reports, concentrated in areas around Swansea, Merthyr Tydfil and across Gwynedd, have also suggested disruption to programming on both radio and TV channels.
Oh, turn it off,
All
Trace.
major
It's
phone
bloody
networks and
ridiculous, man.
broadcasters are
It could be
yet
the
to offer
real
comment.
news. And have you seen those energy prices? Because they're going up again next month.
Oh, they're only trying to distract us. Yeah, but someone's put some real effort into it. Mary down the road heard something come through the radio the other day. Yeah.
And Ian in the shop got a message on his phone about it last night.
As far as I'm concerned, it's a waste of bloody time because they'll be asking us to buy something next week probably.
Or it could be real.
What was that, love?
It could be real. What they're saying on the radio, maybe it's real.
Oh, Christ, not you as well, love.
Well, what if it was? Wouldn't you want to know what those people might have to say?
Oh, I can't say I would, to be honest. And I could do with that, thank you. Somebody telling me what I should and I shouldn't be doing.
And Ian banging on about people using patio heaters. They want to stop us using them now.
Oh, the cheek of it. They're going to right to tell us what we should and we shouldn't do.
Exactly.
Interfering, it's not right.
Do you know what, Sian? It's a hoax. It's not real, love.
No, right. Well, I guess they could ask you the same thing, couldn't they? What rights do we have to mess up their lives by how we're choosing to live ours? Have you ever thought about that?
Ever? You watch your mouth, my girl. I'm so sorry, Sian.
But what right have we got? Because they're real people. You know that. They're your kids and your grandkids, just 30 years in the future, trying their best to cope with what they've inherited from you.
Oh, hang on now, from us. So you haven't been eating, drinking and sleeping in my house for the last 6 years then, have you?
And me as well. All of us. You know what I mean? God. I forgot how asleep we all were. like, look at this. We are carrying on like there's no tomorrow. We're buying, travelling, eating, burning, treating refugees like shit and just caring about ourselves.
Never.
Just self-harming with a smile on our face. Because there is a tomorrow. You know that? There'll be other people's today. There'll be my today, Nan. Because I get it, especially after the last few years. But, oh my gosh, it's already started. that, don't you? It's already happening all around you. The warming, the droughts, the energy prices. Jesus, everything frozen on this planet is melting and the sea levels are rising. So people are on the move. They're escaping. And there'll be so many more. So many families torn apart. So little food to go round.
Jesus, what happened in Swansea, love?
Don't know how lucky we are, do we? With all those years ahead of us? No. You're the lucky ones. Because your eyes are still closed. But us, we'll have to live all those years with our eyes open. And it'll be good. Make no mistake. Good will come from that, but it'll be hard. It'll be really hard.
Right then, ladies. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to take my granddaughter for a walk. I think she needs a bit of fresh air. I'm sorry, Trace, we'll have to finish this later, love, okay? I'm sorry, ladies. Sorry. All right, thank you.
Bravo. Take care.
What was all that about in there now?
You won't understand.
Well, try me. Ever stop. Ever stop.
Okay! I don't know what I'm doing here, Nan. Everyone's given up already, haven't they? Where's the fight in them? If we give up now, like, we won't be ready.
What's brought this upon you now?
Reza, you always used to tell me, it's always later than you think back. Well, it is, Nan. It's later than everyone thinks.
Okay, so if you want to do something about it, you better do it now then, hadn't you? Do you really think that this place has given up? I mean, look around you. Hang on a second. My phone's going off. It's probably Trace wondering the bloody hell I've got to.
Everything all right?
1 second. Is that me, Ivan? Saying something about my Eva and his Eva and he's saying something about but if you want to get home then you've got to go to bloody Blaen y Ffestiniog. Blaen y Ffestiniog.
Ivan?
Yeah, and how has he got my number anyway?
Because you're who I'd call.
So?
I've got to go.
Ever?
I love you, Nan.
What's wrong?
Diolch. Thanks for everything. I'm okay. I'm good.
You don't look good.
I am. I see you want good. Bye, Nan. I'll be back soon, okay? I promise.
Ever?
You'll see me soon.
Ever? Back from where?
what do these streets tell you? If you look closely and listen carefully, on a quiet enough day, you'll hear their stories.
He was so kind. He had white hair and a white moustache. And I just remember spending hours and hours just looking at him sometime.
Drunks walking home from the Labour Club down the road, like disembodied tall ghosts.
The wind blowing into my chest, taking me off the ground.
Beth!
When I was a boy, they told me about a whale that had come to Merthyr. So I went down by the old iron bridge, and there was this huge dead whale. It had swum up the River Taff to die in Merthyr.
Each other. Old fighting young, past fighting future. All of us fighting our own shadows.